Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about PC sales. No, PC sales have been dropping regularly and steadily year over year for the past 10 years basically, except for a little bit of growth sometimes. Most of the time it was actually going down, but this year is a special year with the COVID and the confinement and a lot of people working from home. Well, a lot of people found themselves with the need to have a PC for work. So PC sales grew in the first quarter. We have seen that there was a growth of PC sales because of the pandemic. Now, according to Gartner, PC sales continue growing at a healthy pace. So the growth from the third quarter 2019 to third quarter 2020 is an average up 3.6%, but up to 8% depending on what manufacturer. So the manufacturers that you see here by PC sales give you an idea of how who's the top seller of PCs right now. So Lenovo is the number one PC maker in the world right now, has a 24.5% market share, just ahead of HP. And so this is amazing, with 18.3 million PCs sold. It's followed by HP at 15.4 million PCs sold. They have a 22.3% market share. So and Dell at 10.8 million. So the top three PC makers, Lenovo, HP, and Dell, all grew. Actually, the two first grew, Lenovo and HP. Dell is actually down -4%. Dell has always had the problem in the past few years to try to raise a little more. It's funny because when you look at Dell, that is not still falling amid all the others that are climbing. It's pretty crazy. One that is interesting to see the growth is Acer. Acer Group, 5 million PCs sold. It's up 29.5% growth. This means that Acer is really probably getting more aggressive and having more PCs sold. Really an amazing jump here. Apple, with its Mac line of PCs, growth of 7%. Not bad. Market share 7.5%. Which is roughly what they always had, anywhere from 7 to 10%, depending on the numbers where you look at. So kind of interesting. So Lenovo, HP, the top sellers, just between those two, it's 46.8%, almost half of all the PCs sold around the world. And PC sales, on average, growth 3.6%. That's pretty good, considering the what we had in the past few years where PC shipments went down. Now, where it's going to probably hurt and be very different is in 2021, because people will have had purchased and upgraded all of their PCs, and that will be where it might actually hurt. Also, there's something to note about PC sales that are interesting, is that PC sales overall would have been probably higher if the manufacturers were able to cope with the demand. Because what happened with the pandemic is the demand was so high that a lot of PC makers just couldn't ship enough PCs. So that number could be even higher if that would be the case. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.